U.S. approves $285 million sale of air defense system to Ukraine. The United States has authorized the sale to Kiev of a National Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile System, NASAMS, and associated equipment worth $285 million. The Defense Security Cooperation Agency emphasized that the proposed sale will support the foreign policy goals and national security objectives of the U.S. by improving the security of a partner country that is a force for political stability and economic progress in Europe. The sale will not necessitate the assignment of additional American government personnel or contractors to Ukraine, according to the official statement. The principal contractor will be Raytheon Missiles and Defense, Tucson, Arizona. The State Department has granted approval for the sale, and the DSCA has now formally notified Congress, which must still provide its consent for the transaction to proceed. The Pentagon has not said which nation would be offering up its NASAMS for Ukraine this time around. NASAMS was developed by Raytheon and the Norwegian defense firm Kongsberg. This short to medium-range air defense system consists of a fire distribution center, a Raytheon AN/MPQ-64F1 Sentinel active 3D radar, a passive electro-optical and infrared sensor, and multiple missile canister launchers with AIM-9X Sidewinder and AIM-120 AMRAAM anti-air missiles. Each launcher system can carry 6 missiles. The system is capable of simultaneous interceptions of aerial targets such as aircraft, missiles, and drones at a range of 30 to 50 kilometers, 19 to 31 miles. The proposed sale of the equipment and support is not expected to have any significant impact on the existing military balance in the region.